Hi guys, going to assemble a wooden kit. I'm sitting at my daughter's house at the moment while my wife has gone to watch James Bond with my daughter. So I'm going to occupy myself. Pick this up in a charity shop. Originally came from Primark, £3. I don't think I spent, oh yeah, £1 I paid for it. I'll probably do two videos. I'll do the normal speed one, which will be on my other channel, and probably a fast forward one on my main channel. That's the assembly instructions. Very straightforward. You look for number 1. There's a slot number 1 there, and you look for something with number 1 put on it that you'll stick into that slot, which I don't see at the moment. Oh, there's number 1 there. Okay, so there we are. I'll just lock off the focus, the colour balance. Probably about 20 minutes to do this. If I can get it out of the plastic packaging. A little bit of sandpaper if I need to tidy it up. So, number 1 there, and number 1 up there. If you wanted to do this very carefully, then you would actually use sandpaper to rub everything down. And you don't need to use glue either. In fact, using glue is often a bad idea, because if you get it wrong, you can't take it apart again. Number 2 is a hole just there. Not seeing. Oh, there's number 2. There. That bit there's got to go in that hole there. Sometimes when I do these, I go through and actually write the numbers on the bits of wood so you can find them quickly and easily. Number 3 is on this edge here. So that is it. Now I think that one looks quite nice. I've done several very similar that haven't turned out quite as nice. Yes, that looks nice. Where's the original picture? There's the original picture. And there's our finished item. That looks good. Just try and get the thumbnail right. Yeah. I'll do 2 versions of the video. If I haven't said that already, I'll do a fast forward because this has taken 30 minutes. A fast forward and a full length. Fast forward will be on my main channel. Full length is on my other channel. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.